DOBOT M1 is the world's first SCARA robot arm for small and medium-sized manufacturers to achieve robot-human collaboration. M1 has its integrated controller within the robotic structure and supports plug-and-play capabilities. The advanced controller design makes fast setup and deployment possible for factory owners. M1 aims to help manufacturing enterprises transform and upgrade to automation. Product performance. When fully extended, the length of the M1 SCARA robot arm is about 400 millimeters. The robot only weighs 17 kilograms and boasts a 0.02 millimeter repeatability. Combined with its excellent portability, M1 is perfect for lightweight automation tasks that require high precision. Flexible deployment. M1 is lightweight, space-saving, and easy to redeploy without changing the production layout, giving users more agility to automate almost any manual task, including those with small batches or fast changeovers. Manufacturers will have more time to focus on improving their production solutions for greater productivity. Safe and reliable. M1 is designed with collision detection function and is safe for humans to collaborate with robots, requiring no safety shield. This also allows enterprises to be better able to allocate the human resources on the line, improve productivity, and most importantly, create a safer and more supportive workplace. Easy to debug. M1 Studio software offers intuitive user interface and supports graphical programming, teach and play, and script control, which is not only considerably time-saving to program and debug, but also makes it less demanding for operators without much programming experience to get started. Great expandability. M1 can be used directly with DOBOT's vision kits, suction cups, and gripper for quality inspection, measurement, and template matching. It provides multiple hardware interfaces and software API interfaces, unlocking unlimited possibilities for users to personalize their own application scenarios. The lightweight, cost-effective M1 SCARA robot arm affords accessible automation solutions with quick return on investment. It is perfect for lightweight tasks that require human-robot collaboration. The newly upgraded DOBOT M1 shakes hands with the future where automation is affordable and accessible.